Actus Reus. Omissions and causation. All offences, whether common law or statutory, are made up of elements. Some of these relate to the defendant's actions, which are referred to as Actus Reus, and some of these relate to the defendant's state of mind, which are referred to as mens rea, at the time of the commission of the offence. All of the elements must be present to establish guilt. There are, however, some offences which are known as strict liability offences, in relation to which there is no necessity to prove fault. Strict liability offences are crimes which require no proof of mens rea in relation to one or more aspects of the Actus Reus. In practice, strict liability offences are primarily regulatory offences aimed at businesses in relation to health and safety. Also, many driving offences are crimes of strict liability, for example speeding and driving without insurance. In relation to those offences which are not strict liability offences, which are the vast majority of offences, in order to establish liability, the prosecution must prove the Actus Reus and mens rea, and additionally, the defendant must also not be in a position to successfully advance a defence. To give an example,